Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video on how to make knowledge transfer or onboarding for code bases easier by using VS Code CodeTour. CodeTour is a free to use VS Code extension that allows you to record and playback guided navigation or tours within a file or folder. This allows the developers to clone the project and start learning it thanks to the guided navigation. You can share the tours file by checking out it to a repo or export it as .tours file, which is essentially a JSON file allowing for quick sharing among your team members. As you can see, I've already created a recording called test tour, and I'll be creating a new tour called hello tour for a code snippet that performs addition and subtraction of two random numbers. You can either right click to bring up the command palette or use shortcut keys Control Shift and P and click on add your step and give a title to your code tool, or you can click on the plus sign to add what does the code do at a specific line, which will be saved to your tour file. You can hide or unhide the code tour markers by clicking on the eye icon on the left side bar under code tour section. The recording is saved under current directory as .tours with the title of the recording, which is a JSON file. The .tours file will have a schema, name of the file, description, and line numbers. You can click on stop symbol in the sidebar within code tour section to stop the recording, or even use command palette and type end tour. You can play back the recording and make edits if needed. Make sure you commit your .tour files to your repo so that it's easier to track or manage tours file. This will conclude the video. Thanks everyone. Bye.